What if I told you? There is a surah in the Qur'an so powerful, that if people truly understood it, it would be enough for their guidance? It is only 3 verses long, yet it summarizes the entire purpose of life. This is Surah Al-Asr. Ayah 1. Wal, Asr, by time. Allah begins with an oath. And when Allah swears by something, it means it is extremely important. He says, by time. Why time? Because time is the only thing you truly own. Money can return, health can improve, opportunities can come again, but time? Once it passes, it never returns. Every heartbeat is reducing your lifespan. You are not growing older. You are growing closer to your end. The word Asr has deep meanings. The passing of time, the late afternoon, an era or generation, the time of decline. Think about Asr time. The sun is setting. The day is almost over. That is the feeling Allah wants you to have. Life is closer to sunset than you think. Ayah 2. Indeed, mankind is in loss. Allah doesn't say, some people are in loss. He says, humanity is in loss. This includes the rich, the poor, the believer, the disbeliever. Why? Because time is running out for everyone. Imagine someone given a treasure chest every morning, and instead of investing it, they throw it away. That is a person who wastes time. Loss here means spiritual loss, moral loss, eternal loss. The Arabic is powerful. Ina, indeed. La, surely. Fi, inside. Humans are not near loss. They are surrounded by loss. Unless. Ayah 3, the exception. Except those who. Now Allah gives the formula for success. Only 4 conditions. Keycap 1 faith, Iman, not just saying, I believe. Real belief. Belief that changes your actions. Belief that makes you conscious of Allah when nobody is watching. Keycap 2 good deeds. Faith without action is incomplete. Prayer, charity, kindness, helping others, lowering your gaze, speaking gently. Every small act counts. Keycap 3 encourage truth. Truth is heavy. It is easier to stay silent. But believers remind each other, pray, be honest, stay strong, don't give up. A healthy Muslim community is built on reminding each other of truth. Keycap 4 encourage patience. Patience in obeying Allah, avoiding sin, facing hardship, because the path to Jannah is not easy. It requires endurance. Deep reflection section. Think about this. If someone loses money, they panic. If someone loses followers, they feel stressed. But when a day passes without salah, without Qur'an, without growth, we don't feel anything. That is the real loss. Surah Al-Asr is a wake-up call. It's not long, but it is intense. Imam Ash-Shafi'i said, if people reflected on this surah alone, it would be enough for them. Why? Because it answers. Why are we here? What is the danger? How do we succeed? Practical application, very important for audience impact. Ask yourself tonight, where's my time going? How many hours for dunya? How many minutes for akhirah? If you live 60 years, that's around 21,900 days. How many are already gone? And how many are guaranteed? None. Emotional closing. One day, your time will stop. Your phone will still exist. Your house will still exist. But you won't. Only your deeds will remain. Surah Al-Asr is not just a surah. It is a mirror. It asks you, are you investing your time? Or wasting it? Because Allah has already warned us. By time, indeed mankind is in loss. May Allah make us among the exceptions. Ameen.